Please welcome my guest, Laurette Rondenet. I say that from my days in Paris. The CEO and owner of Edlong. What are people asking you for, if you can share that? What do people want to see? People being your clients, your corporate customers.
I was talking to Anne-Marie before, or we were chatting back and forth on email before this chat today, and I was picking her brain on what she sees out there too, because she's our expert on this category and this whole topic. But one thing that she brought up that I think is huge is the collaboration, and it kind of fits in your world of none of us can do this alone.
Yes.
And I think our customers are looking for us to almost be the beacon of the triangle and pulling other ingredient companies together and finding the best of the best protein, the best of the best fat, the best of and then solving for problems like taste, mouthfeel, masking if we need to do that. But that's one thing that we're really seeing is collaboration. And it's one thing about this category that I personally love, that it's very collaborative and quick. Speed to market's fast.
Is it? How's that possible?
I have no idea, but it just seems like this particular category has taught the big CPG companies how fast you really can get to market. Do you see? I mean, I would think you see that a lot in your world too, of startups and what have you, and those that they seem faster. It seems like our product development time is quicker.
Yes, but sometimes I think too fast. Honestly, sometimes
it's true.
Work out a few more kinks, people. but not always. I mean, there's something to be said for being small and nimble and lithe and having fewer bureaucratic layers to get approval, and so that.
And I think that even leads to the collaboration concept too, because being privately held, we don't dabble in seasonings and flavors and what have you, which sometimes causes competitive angst and lack of trust when you're doing collaborative work together. So I think the agility that we have and no bureaucracy and being able to work with whoever we want to is awesome.
Yeah, and I think being laser focused on one, dairy, the category of dairy, and that's going to include plant-based dairy, but that category of dairy really makes you experts and very
and knowing all the different raw materials and processing, and yeah, I think it really does help. And it sounds like what we're hearing a lot is that precision fermentation, which I know I just listened to one of your earlier podcasts on that, which was really good. But that in the fat world seems to be the up and coming, and that'll help with that whole meltability of these plant-based cheeses particularly, and that we really needed to get some more innovative fat concepts going on. And that helps with taste hugely. You got to have fat to have good taste. So
yes, and therein comes the collaborative nature of things.